What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to get emojis anywhere you are in Windows 11 or 10. It works in both. So let's say I'm in the YouTube search bar here and I want to search for an emoji. Like, you can actually do this. And how to do this, it's very simple. You hold the Windows key on your keyboard and you press period at the same time. So the period key. And look at that. It'll open up a emoji menu for you. So these are like your most recently used. I recommend just clicking on this and now you'll get like a full selection, and you can also search. So if I do like laugh, yeah, and I start typing it out, like I can click it and it'll enter one at a time. Check it out, YouTube actually lets you search laughing emojis. So I'll hit enter and a lot of weird stuff pops up. Let's not do that. Okay, so for example, if you want to use this in Word, you can also do this. Windows key, period. Here we are again. Let's do truck or something. Put a fire truck in here. Check it out. You can do emojis in your Word document. You can also use this in Teams messages, Discord, lots of things. So, you know, like Discord will be like, oh, you need to buy Nitro to have these emojis, etc. You can use some that Windows will offer you, you know? Like, there's decent selection here if you look through it yourself. They're pretty much the same emojis as the Microsoft Teams ones. Actually, no, these are more of like the phone emojis, so they're a little better. Teams is a little worse than these, but yeah, if you don't like what you see on Teams, you can use these ones. And yeah, guys, that's a pretty short video. Yeah, hopefully you found it helpful. Drop a question if you have one. Another way to get to this actually is if you do Windows key and V together, you're brought to your clipboard, but you'll be able to see that smiley face again. So you just go back to it, and here we are. Enter an emoji. So yeah, drop a like if you found this helpful. Subscribe. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions you got in the comments. See ya.